I'm going to say "your" in the CapCut electronic sounds. Billy, do not just say that just because you're obsessed with Roblox. But remember, Roblox is fun. Too bad, Billy. You are still grounded. But it's just so fun, Roblox is. You know what? Tomorrow, I'm going to roleplay as an anime girl, and that's it. And you're grounded for a week. Ah, you stupid poopy sour. Ah, and table is broken. Ah, oh no, our 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 table is broken. Stop spam chatting and like Roblox, or else you get banned. Why, you stupid poopy sour. Ah, I'm sick and tired of you saying poopy sour. That's right. You're just obnoxious. You're obnoxious. I can't wait to chew obnoxious. Yeah, let's chew obnoxious. And I know you're obsessed with Roblox and Minecraft, and that doesn't mean you say, "Yo."